Hey everyone! We're Newton's Trio!
Today we're using just our shoes to explore two important concepts, friction and stability.
No fancy lab equipment is used, just a little creativity.
Let's see what these shoes can teach us about physics.
Let's start with friction, which is the force that resists motion when two surfaces rub against each other. Friction keeps us from slipping and sliding everywhere. Let's test how each shoe grips the floor. First up, the UGG slipper. It has a soft and fuzzy sole that doesn't grip much. Watch how easily it slides across the floor. Now, the sneaker. Sneakers are designed for grip, with rubber soles and tread patterns. Notice how much harder it is to push the sneaker compared to the UGG. Now let's test the high heel. With its small contact area, it's pretty slippery. Watch, it doesn't grip as well as the sneaker, and it slides almost as easily as the UGG. Now let's test friction on hardwood. This surface is much smoother than carpet, so we expect less friction overall. Here's the UGG slipper again. On tile, the soft sole slides much more easily compared to carpet. Watch this. Now the sneaker. Its rubber sole still provides good grip, but it slides more on hardwood than it did on the carpet. And the high heel, it slides very easily on hardwood since its tiny contact point doesn't create much friction at all. The sneaker grips the carpet really well and feels very stable. The rubber sole creates a lot of friction, making it perfect for activities like running or exercising, where good traction is essential. Now, let's see how these shoes perform on tile, a much smoother and slicker surface. Things are about to get interesting. Now the UGG slipper. It's soft and comfortable on carpet, but its sole doesn't grip as well as the sneaker. It's fine for casual walking, but if you try to move quickly, it might slide a bit, especially if the carpet is smooth. On tile, it's a completely different story. It's a soft sole. Its soft sole doesn't have enough grip, so it slides around much more easily. You'll want to be extra cautious wearing these on smooth floors. Here's the high heel. Surprisingly, on carpet it feels fairly stable because the heel's tiny contact points dig into the carpet's fibers. But don't get too confident. It's not designed for speed or sudden movement. As expected, the heel is the least stable on tile. The tiny contact point of the heel slides very easily, making it hard to stay balanced. High heels and tile, definitely not a great match. So what did we learn today?
On carpet, friction is higher, making most shoes more stable.
But on smooth hardwood, the lack of grip makes the shoes like the UGG and the high heel so much less reliable.
Sneakers with their rubber soles perform the best on both surfaces.
Thanks for joining me in this fun physics experiment.
See you next time for more everyday physics adventures.